Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at this watch. This is the Pagani Design PD1701, also known as the Pagani Moonwatch style chronograph. This is the new V6 version with sapphire crystal, a Japanese quartz chronograph movement, and a very strong value for the price. I have already recorded the unboxing, the bracelet and case shots, the sapphire test, and the chronograph test. So in this video I will focus on real use, build quality, and whether this watch is actually worth your money. Let's start. Inside the box you get a simple Pagani package. Nothing luxury here, but everything is clean and protected. You get the watch, a basic manual, and a small cleaning cloth. This is exactly what I expected at this price point. No extra, but no problem either. This watch clearly takes inspiration from classic Moonwatch style. The case is stainless steel with a round shape and a sporty but clean look. On the wrist, the size feels very balanced. The dial diameter is around 40 to 44 millimeters, which works well for most wrists. The case thickness is around 14 millimeters, so it's not ultra thin but very normal for a chronograph. The dial is very readable, clear subdials, strong contrast, and clean markers. Nothing feels cheap here. Now let's talk about the bracelet. This is a solid stainless steel bracelet, and honestly, Pagani has improved a lot here. The links feel solid, no sharp edges, and it sits comfortably on the wrist. The clasp is a folding clasp and it feels secure. It is heavier than rubber or leather, but that gives the watch a more premium feeling. The brushing and the bracelet and case is well done for this price range. This does not feel like a toy watch, it feels solid and confident. Now let's talk about the crystal. This watch uses sapphire crystal, not mineral glass. As you can see in the test, a sapphire resists scratches and stay clear. This is also a light anti-reflection coating which helps with visibility. For this price, having real sapphire crystal is a very big plus. This is a real chronograph, not just a decorated one. The pusher feels solid with a clean click. The chronograph starts, stops, and reset properly. One small thing to mention, because this is a new watch, the pushers can feel slightly stiff at first. It is normal. After some use, they become smoother. Everything works exactly as it should. Now let's talk about the most important part, the movement. Inside this watch, we have the Japanese VK63 quartz chronograph movement. This movement is made in Japan and is very well known. Here is why the VK63 is popular. Very accurate timekeeping, real mechanical feeling chronograph, low maintenance, long battery life. The battery usually lasts 2 or 3 years. This movement is hybrid style, meaning quartz accuracy but a smooth and satisfying chronograph action. You don't have to worry about daily winding, you don't have to worry about time drift. For everyday use, this is one of the best chronograph movement at this price. This watch has 100 meters water resistance. That means hand washing, rain, swimming, no problem. Just remember, always push the crown in properly, do not use it in hot showers, and do not dive with it. For daily life, this level of water resistance is more than enough. The hands and markers have luminous material. After charging on the right, they glow nicely in the dark. It's not extreme dive watch Lume, but is very usable and easy to read at night. So, is this watch worth buying? In my opinion, yes, absolutely. You get sapphire crystal, Japanese VK63 movement, real chronograph, solid stainless steel case and bracelet, and strong water resistance. All of this for a very reasonable price. This is not luxury Swiss watch, but it is honest, well built, and very enjoyable to wear. If you want a Moonwatch style chronograph without spending a lot of money, this is very smart choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.